Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started with chapter number 4, that is structure of an atom, in which we have discussed all the topics of structure of atom. If you have any doubt in any topic, comment in our comment box section and we will make video on that again. Okay, so as we have started with our NCERT questions, that in our previous video we have discussed 1 to 5 NCERT questions. If you have any queries in 1 to 5 questions, please watch that video. No doubt you will get all the answers on the Google, but I have explained you a lot about that questions, that what actually the question demands and what we have to write in that. And we have it's our aim is to make you understand the topic. Okay, make the understand the topic. So in this video we will discuss our NCERT questions of chapter number 4, that is structure of atom. Structure of atom. In this video we will discuss 6 to 10 NCERT questions. 6 to 10 NCERT questions. So sixth question is we will start our question number 6, that is summarize the rules. Summarize the rules. Summarize the rules for writing of writing of distribution of electrons in various shells, like K, L, M, N. Okay, in various shells like K, L, M, N for the 18 elements. For the 18 elements. Okay. So these are nothing. These are the three major rules that how electrons are distributed in different shells. So you have to write all the three rules. Okay, which have we already discussed in our video, that how electrons are distributed. We will discuss here once again. That is, the first point is the maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by a formula 2n square. Is formula given by formula 2n square, where n can be 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Where n can be 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, suppose if n equal to 1, that is, and 2 into 1 square, that is 2. Like 2 into 2 square, that is 8. 2 into 3 square, that is our 18. This one is our K shell, this one is our M shell, this one is our N shell. Like 2 into 4 square, this one is our L and this one is our M. Like 32, that is our N shell. Okay, this was the first postulate, and second was the maximum number of electrons. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in outermost shell is 8. As we like if we write sodium 11, so 281, it is not like 2,9. It is not like that, because in the outermost shell there will be maximum number of electrons will be 8. Okay, now third point was electrons are accommodated in outer shells in outer shells if if inner shells if inner shells are completely filled. If inner shells are completely filled, it is not like that. If we say that like sodium 11, it is not like that 272. Firstly you have to fill the inner shells, like there will be 8 electrons, 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then you will move to next shell. Then we'll move to next shell. We can move to outer shell only when our inner shells are filled, when our only inner shells are filled. So this is about question number 6, that is summarize the rules for distribution of electrons. Okay, so now we will move to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is define valency and by taking examples of silicon and oxygen. Define valency. Define valency by taking examples of silicon and oxygen. Silicon and oxygen. So as we know, what is valency? Valency, it is the combining capacity of an atom. It is the combining capacity of an atom. So what is valency? It is defined as the combining capacity of an atom. So atomic number of silicon is 14. Atomic number of silicon is 14. So it will be like 2,8,4. 2,8,4. So here valence electrons are 4. Here valence electrons are 4. So to get completely filled or to get stable, it needs how many electrons? 4 electrons. So it will make 4 bonds. Like if we talk, like it needs 4 electrons. So valency of silicon is 4, as it needs 4 electrons, as it needs 4 electrons to become stable. Or like it valency of silicon is 4, as it needs 4 electrons to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration. To achieve nearest noble gas configuration, as we know, argon 18. Okay, if we talk about oxygen atomic number is 8, that is 2,6. So it needs just 2 electrons. So valency of oxygen is 2. Like if we can write it, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, because it needs just 2 electrons to achieve its noble gas configuration, that is of neon. Okay, now we will move to our question number 8. So valency of oxygen is 2 and valency of silicon is 4. Okay, now we will move to our question number 8. Question number 8 is explain with examples in atomic number, mass number, isotopes and isobars. Give 2 uses of isotopes. So first of all, explain the term atomic number. What is atomic number? Number of protons in an atom. For example, atomic number of sodium is 11, like potassium is 19. So it is the number of protons in an atom. Second one is our mass number. What is mass number? Number of protons Now we can write it that it is the sum of sum of number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Okay, for example, mass number of sodium is 23, like 11 protons plus 12 neutrons. So mass number of sodium is 23. Okay, now third one is isotopes. Isotopes. What are isotopes? What are isotopes? Same element. Okay, same element. Atoms of same element. Atoms of same element which have same atomic number. Same atomic number, but different mass number. For example, H11, H12, H13, protium, deuterium, tritium, or carbon 612, carbon 614. They have same atomic number but different mass number. Fourth one is isobars. What are isobars? In isobars, atoms of different elements. Okay, atoms of different elements with same number of with atoms of different elements with same mass number but different atomic number. Like example is argon 1840. And the number 1840 and calcium 2040. Argon 1840 and calcium 2040. So this is all about our question number 8. Atomic number, mass number, isotopes and isobars. Now we will move to our ninth question. Ninth question is sodium plus has completely filled K and L shells. Explain. Sodium plus has completely filled K shell and L shell. So explain. So as we know, atomic number of sodium is 11, that is 281. So sodium plus which will move only 2 electrons, 2,8, and in K shell there are 2 electrons and in L shell there are 8 electrons. And as we know, in K shell there is maximum number of electrons is 2, and in L shell it is 8. So we can say that in Na plus ion, K shell and in K shell and L shell are completely filled. Now we will move to our 10th question. 10th question is numerical. Okay, 10th question is, if bromine atom is available in the form of two isotopes, bromine bromine 3579, 3579, and in bromine 3581, 3581, and we have to calculate the average, atomic mass, of bromine atom, so we have to calculate average atomic mass. We have to consider this. There is nothing role of atomic number, there is nothing role in numerical that is of atomic number. We will consider only atomic mass. So first we will start on question number 10. Question number 10 is, we will take percentage of its given is 49.3%. Its percentage given is 49.3, and its percentage given is 50.3. Sorry, 49.7. 49.7. So nothing, 79, atomic mass is 79, multiply परसेंटेज का साइन टाइम, परसेंटेज का साइन रिमूव करेंगे, नीचे क्या आएगा 100 प्लस नेक्स्ट वन इज 81 into 50.3 upon 100. 51.50.3 upon 100. So simply you have to solve the equation. So it will come, simply calculation, it will come 39.263 plus 40.743. Simply you have to solve the calculation. So our answer comes out to be 80.006 U. As we already know what is U. U is unified mass. So our atomic mass comes out to be 80.006. So this is all about our today's topic, that is NCERT questions 6 to 10 of chapter 4, structure of atom. And in our further videos we will discuss NCERT questions 11 to 15, 16 to 20. So I hope you like our video. If you have any doubts, comment in our comment box section. Thank you.